everyone! Join me as I tackle Natasha's iconic wig for my cosplay. Will this wig be a big success or a complete disaster? Watch and find out! I've been avoiding wigs for such a long time. My first real anime cosplay was Cumbia from Ponytail, and it included a blue wig. That blue wig situation was a disaster. As a last resort, I cut my wig in pieces and sewed the wefts onto the hat. This kinda worked. My hair could go in a tight bun on top of my head and was completely covered by the hat. And I promised myself, never again will I attempt to wear a wig for cosplay. So here I am, drawn to another stunning character with blue hair. This time though, I'm not running away from the wig challenge. We'll be using some everyday stuff you might already have. A white tooth comb for detangling, and a rat tail comb with a metal pin for precision parting. Sectioning clips and claw clips in various sizes will come in handy for keeping sections of hair organized. Hair ties help as well. Next, we have some styling essentials. A crimper for adding texture, a steamer, and a can of hairspray. We bought this one because it's recommended to use on wigs. We also bought the matching hair gel for the pointy ends of each lock of hair, and a pair of hairdressing scissors and thinning scissors. You'll need some sort of a wig stand as well. Rick made this one with an old stainless steel rod and an office chair base. Pretty cool, right? But hey, any kind of stand will work. Now for the wig head. Ideally, you'll want one that matches your head size. If you're using a styrofoam head, you can adjust it a bit with cling wrap and tape. I started on a styrofoam head, but eventually decided on this canvas head. Alright, let's secure the wig in place. Then gently comb through the hair from ends to roots to remove any tangles. Now for some organization. Divide your wig into sections. This will make the crimping process much easier. Big claw clips are perfect for holding the sides out of the way. Wigs have wefts, which are basically strands of hair sewn onto a backing. We'll crimp each weft individually. Start at the neck area and work your way up toward the crown. Hold the crimper on each strand for about 3 seconds for a defined crimp. Start at the root and work your way down to the end of your strand. After crimping a lock, turn your crimper slightly diagonal and repeat the process twice in different diagonal directions. This will create a smoother overall texture in the end results. Don't forget to open a window for ventilation. Once you've finished crimping the back, repeat the process on the sides and then the front. Pay attention to where you want the hair to part in the crown when crimping the front section. Finally, it's time to tame those crimps a bit. Comb through the entire wig again, section by section. Crimping adds serious volume, which is great for hiding your own hair and makes styling so much easier. You can already shape it without additional heat. Alright, Natasha's hairstyle has some distinct details, so let's break it down step by step. I printed out a few photos of Natasha and drew section guides right on the pictures. This helps visualize where each section goes. First, we'll focus on the signature features around her face. We'll need to style her bangs. They're pretty long. She has 2 narrow locks of hair on either side of her nose. I'll start by dividing the locks to the different sections on the front. Styling these locks is repeating the same process over and over again. Get 1 lock of hair. Bend it the way you want it. Spray hairspray on it and let it dry completely. If you want to adjust the direction of the lock, use your steamer and bend it into shape. And once you're happy with this lock and all hairspray is dry, you can add some hair gel to the tips of the locks to get them really pointy. We're now at the part that can feel a little nerve-wracking, cutting the hair. Before I make any snips, I want to make sure the wig is secure on the head and perfectly positioned. Symmetry is key, so after I cut a section on the left, I'll need to mirror that on the right side with the exact same length. Remember, take your time here. And now to soften the cut a bit and create a more natural look, I'm going to use thinning shears. Notice how the longer side sections have some asymmetry. Now to keep things organized, I'll use claw clips to secure the smaller sections. This lets us focus on the larger locks first. Styling these will be similar to how we tackled the front earlier. Remember, all these locks need that classic anime pointy tip as well. With these sections all done, it's time to focus on the ponytail on the back. Look how much volume the crimping gave us. I'm using the steamer to reduce the crimping effect a bit. I like the ponytail to be a bit bigger though. It feels more balanced with the front of the wig. And now we're almost there! The final touch for Natasha's look is her iconic white nurse cap. To ensure a seamless look, we're going to sew the cap directly onto the wig itself. This way the hair tie will be completely hidden. And voila! This wig is officially finished. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm so happy with how this first attempt turned out. The process was a great learning experience and I can't wait to put those skills to use and make my next wig even better. And that's the true spirit of cosplay, right? It's about constantly improving your craft, pushing your creativity, and most importantly, having fun along the way. Thank you very much for watching and let's keep making cosplay together!